Today, I'm going to show you how to create a filter icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a super quick method and it's perfect if you need to add a clean filter symbol to a UI design, a dashboard, an app screen, or any wireframe you're working on. Instead of drawing the icon from scratch, we'll use a free plugin inside Figma to find the exact style you want and place it right onto your canvas. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast Figma tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Figma and go to your design file. Once you're inside the Figma design workspace, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. From there, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access helpful tools that make designing much faster. Next, in the search bar, type Iconify and open it. Iconify is a popular Figma plugin that gives you access to thousands of icons, so it's one of the easiest ways to quickly find the exact filter icon you need. After the plugin opens, use the search bar inside Iconify and type filter. You'll now see different filter icon options appear, and you can browse through them to find the one that matches your design style best. Some may be outlined, some filled, and some may have a slightly different shape, so choose the one that fits your layout. Once you've found the desired icon, simply drag and drop it into your canvas. You can then resize it, recolor it, and position it wherever you want in your design. If needed, you can repeat the same process to swap out the icon for a different version until it looks exactly right. And that's it. You've now created a filter icon in Figma using Iconify. It's fast, simple, and a great shortcut for building polished designs without wasting time. If this video helped, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.